while
my
I'm
God!
driving.
Please let me narrate a little story. This was so we finished our Pakistani track. We were done with our Dabba Factory set, and before we went to McLeodganj, and the whole story was going to shift to Bhopal, and we were all going to start to shoot together. All as in, KV, Aditi, Khala, and Latif, and all. We were all going to start to shoot together for the first time. For the first time.
Just a second, hold on to that. Very hard. Sorry, yeah. We were talking about conscious, being conscious.
No, my car thing.
Yeah, you were telling about an incident.
Yeah. So, do I have to repeat the backstory? No. Okay. So, what?
McLeodganj और हम सब साथ में shoot करने वाले थे.
So before that, we had these 3-4 days in. We had to shoot the airport sequence in.
At this
some mall.
Godkoper mall.
Yeah, some mall, and that was my first day shooting with, KV and Aditi and all of them. And that's just a little extra piece of information I'm giving. It has nothing to do with my story. So, what? But so we wrapped up, and we were going to go for a movie that night with everyone. And KV and Aditi and all of them had wrapped up before us, and we were on our way to the theatre, and suddenly she decides that she wants to roll the window. I was driving and she was sitting next to me, and suddenly she decides that she wants to sit on the window. And I don't know if I thought that.
See, if don't tell her, because she knows that, because I do that all the time.
Yeah.
So
I was not conscious of it. Oh my God, people are going to be seeing her.
But you're conscious as a person who will not do something like this.
I was just that particular time. So I was just worried that she shouldn't fall off on JVL.
No, but see, my point is, okay, your thing is over.
Yes, it is.
Thanks for this information. कि मैं ऐसा करती हूँ. So yes, I remember once ऐसी weird like ऐसे highway पे dance करना. I think Ankit also mentioned it in our interview. हाँ, कि हम ऐसे आ रहे थे highway पे और ऐसे बढ़िया सा मतलब मैं उसके साथ थी. रेडियो पे कोई बहुत अच्छा सा सॉन्ग प्ले हो रहा था और मैंने बोला प्लीज़ क्या तुम गाड़ी रोकोगे, और उसे भी सडनली ऐसे लगा कि क्या हो गया, और मैंने ऐसे खिड़की खोल के मैंने ऐसे डांस करना शुरू कर दिया जब तक ये बड़ा सा ट्रक ऐसे आ नहीं गया. सो दैट इज़ लाइक समथिंग जो कि थोड़ा डेंजरस है. सो आई कैन बोस्ट के
ओके चलो, बट इवन द हार्मलेस स्टफ, but I feel it's a drawback of mine, and I've told her.
Yeah, and he appreciates. So one example is when we were in McLeodganj, वहाँ पे हमारे शॉट को I think there was still some time, और मैंने अपने बालों पे वेलक्रो लगाया हुआ था, और मेरे को ऐसे लगा कि ऐसे जाना है मार्केट में. मुझे लगा अभी टाइम है, अगर मैं वेलक्रो लगा के रखूँगी तो बालों को और अच्छा बाउंस मिलेगा. सो मैं ऐसे ही आ गई, एंड he was like प्लीज तुम ऐसे नहीं जाओगी, तुम ऐसे अच्छा लगेगा.
Because what a genuine reason it was. Why would anyone have a problem with that?
See, you can't do that. See, अगर तुम्हारे बालों पे rollers होंगे, that's what I'm saying. If he himself doesn't do that, that doesn't matter that he is not okay with somebody else doing that. That's what I'm saying. If you yourself don't do any experiment or things like that, तुम्हें ऐसे प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं होती कि तुम ऐसे क्यों कर.
And not like मैं कुछ अपने मेकअप रूम में rollers लगाता हूँ.
Oh my God! See, literally मत लो.
Yes. But no, my point is that I feel it's a drawback of mine. I want to be less conscious. I want to be more less inhibited, but I'm not. It's something I'm working on.
You are not.
How can you say that? I am. It's my goal at least.
Okay.
Your face is completely hidden with the furry pom-pom.
बोल ही रहा है इसने.
मैं तुम दोनों को देख रही हूँ, and I'm actually trying to judge the light as to whether it will look better or not, and थोड़ा सा technical.
Exposure on करें क्या?
I'm a little too late in the interview to start thinking if we look better.
No. You're looking good. See, that's not the point at all. I'm just wondering if we are pushing our luck with the light.
With the light? Probably
so far so good. Now we have Azan going on as well.
Azan and some lovely
kids playing around.
screeching away.
But you know, you both are looking lovely.
Thank you.
मुझे light का भी ऐसे कोई तकलीफ नजर नहीं आ रही.
Okay. तो अभी
See, having beautiful people in your frame, अब मेरी आदत बन चुकी है.
Wow.
having beautiful people on your frame. That's
Yeah, having beautiful people in my frame. And she's doing her hair. See,
Yeah,
that's what unconsciousness is all about.
I'm not that conscious. I just mean like, you know, if we were at the mall the other day and you know, मैं बोलूँ right?
हाँ मैं जोर से बोल रही थी.
And no, but Surbhi, even her regular tone is a little
Loud. Yeah.
like if I'm talking to her right now and we are somewhere.
हाँ और
you know,
स्पेशली जब कुछ इसे
I'm
समझाना
like,
होता है समझता नहीं है.
मुझे बोलो, you know, restaurant को मत बोलो, मुझे बोलो. So even in the mall the other day that happened and she was talking to me and you know, we were walking and she was saying something and I was like, ठीक है, आराम से. And just to pull my leg, she yelled the whole thing out and I was just like,
Oh, she's not with me. She's not with me.
no, not she's not with me. I was just like, I'm like, where is an earthquake when you need one? You know, I just need the ground to open and I want to go dive inside.
Shit, that's why you know I said that sometimes I feel bad for him because he is not at all like that. Like sometimes we are this opposite.
No, but the thing is, I enjoy it, but it is in my nature to feel conscious about it. So I can't help that because that's an involuntary action of mine that make me feel super conscious. But I enjoy it also because I'm like, wow, yeah, I want to be that way.
Judgmental नहीं है. Fourth quality. कहाँ इतनी तारीफ कर दी ना तुम्हारी तुर्किस्तान.
पत्ते खोले.
Please
Turkistan,
तारीफ
I like
okay.
that.
Yeah, Turkistan.
And should I mention that?
Oh, you don't need to try to rewind and find out because we did mute part. Of course, some of you would have tried to lip read. Did you not? Well, nothing much to it. Just some fun elements. That's how we kept it. So here we go back to it.
Please ये chop करना. Idiot.
That's why I'm sure you didn't get that, did you?
No, I didn't hear it, but the microphone could have.
Yeah, so please इसको.
So we'll have
मैं घर जाके 4 बार सुनूंगी हेडफोन लगा के.
नहीं तुम्हें तो बता भी देंगे क्या बोला.
This is again one of those moments अपना. क्या ऐसे point out कर रही हूँ?
Yeah. No, cause see जब भी अभी क्या है मैं genuinely इसको sorry भी बोलती हूँ. जैसे अगर कहीं पे है या कुछ पे ऐसे ये shout कर देना all that ये वो ये.
But then she takes it to another extreme. Or like
So
if you're
we're
watching a
such a
movie,
sorry.
no. If you're watching a movie, or ठीक है यार, a startling moment has come. The half of the theater is shouting, and she's included in that half. But then she's like, I'm so sorry. Like that's fine. Don't make me feel like I'm so conscious that even you shouting in the movie theater is a problem.
Have you seen any movie with her? Which
I've seen all the movies.
No, not horror. I want comedy kind of scene. Someone just took a picture. Like I've seen Sholay with her. And this one really went berserk when you were watching it, and I enjoyed myself. The experience of watching Sholay after so many years
Yeah,
in
that
a
was-
theater with her was a different experience. Have you had an experience where she's screaming and dancing on her chair?
No, however,
Cause I
we
am
had-
conscious. You make me.
She's probably conscious, but maybe she had a moment of weakness that one time when we were watching some movie, and before the movie,
Which movie? Tell me.
I don't remember the movie. Doesn't matter because it happened when before the movie the trailer for Ghayal 2 had come out, and whatever the trailer is going on and this and that, and all of a sudden she's like, "Sonny Paji, wow!" And I'm like, "What?" And she's like, I love him. I'm like, that's
No, it's like I love such movies, yeah. और मैंने
पंजाबी खून जाग उठा.
no, that also और मैंने इसको बोला भी तुम ऐसी कोई बाहुबली और ऐसी मूवी मैंने इसको बोला तुम प्लीज मेरे साथ मत
मैंने
देख.
सारी देखी है उसके साथ.
बाहुबली कहाँ देखी है?
बाहुबली नहीं देखी है. But I've
बाहुबली
seen-
जैसी कोई भी नहीं देखी है यार. अलग रूप होता है उसमें.
So I've heard.
Yeah, Sholay was also an experience with her.
Yeah.
I'll never forget it.
So what was the experience?
Oh God, she was screaming away all the
Because
time.
then you know all the dialogues, and every dialogue
At
is
home?
so famous. No.
In the
अभी
theater?
जब आई थी ना 3D में शोले तब.
Oh.
then तो like बस सेंटिन को cause ऐसे था कि इतना अच्छा लगता है यार वो मूवी
ठीक है, but understandable also. It's a
और मिस्टर टूर की ने शोले देखी नहीं है, राइट? तुमने तो शोले देखी भी नहीं.
मैंने देखी है.
क्या? हेलो?
Bits and pieces में.
नहीं देखी.
I know the story.
Oh, is it?
Oh, fantastic!
Thank you so much. At least you
You
know the story.
But it's one of those movies that I've missed. It's not कि मैं नहीं देखता movies. I watch a lot of
Yeah.
Two are Hindi movies.
नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. I
हाँ,
love.
मुझे भी ऐसा लगता था, लेकिन ये देखता है.
Don't necessarily appreciate each and every movie,
Yeah. That's so with every movie, na. Whether it's Hindi or English.
but I like it. Roshali?
Yeah, I'm so sorry, मैं light खेल रही हूँ.
I thought our interview has dozed off.
No. How can I doze? I'm standing.
मतलब ये रात होने से पहले हमें अच्छा सा बाय करना है. मेरे को ऐसे जल्दी में बाय नहीं करना.
हाँ, जल्दी में बाय नहीं करना. कार्ड है, बैटरी है, लाइट नहीं है.
Light नहीं.
सही लाइट है यार. This orange light over.
And it's looking. In fact, even the frame is looking beautiful.
Wow.
Do you want to get it?
What,
Oh, right
the
now
light?
the frame is looking nice.
Yeah, the frame is looking. I'm adjusting the lights. Don't
Good.
worry.
Thank you so much. Vishal.
So we will find some different shades in the interview as we go
Exactly.
along, and I don't think I shall apologize. I'll say we're trying our best
No.
For what?
to
For
get
the
this
light?
interview itself.
Oh, yeah.
First of all, I don't know. Should I do the formal thing and say thank you guys for actually doing this with me, despite show being over, time being up. For us,
Because
there's no
I
time
was
up.
so looking forward to it.
Of
Me too.
course.
Because ऐसे गुम हो गई थी और मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि करनी चाहिए तो फिर नहीं हो पाई somehow. But अभी finally हो रही है वहाँ पे.
Yeah,
I
I'm,
always believe that whenever the right time comes along, it does happen, and probably it was meant to happen this way and no other way.
right.
Yeah.
You know, as the time passes by, maybe you get juicier and juicier interviews.
So true.
No, I meant that in a very.
I know.
Why did both of us are laughing like
हम
that?
दोनों
क्यों नहीं
अलग
हंस सकते
सोच रहे हैं।
यार?
Most definitely हंस सकते हो, लेकिन
ये भी बहुत ओके. ऐसे वीक पॉइंट्स तो बहुत सारे हैं. So yeah.
Basically हम वो 3 पॉइंट से भी आगे ही नहीं बढ़े. And it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. But yeah, I always definitely wanted to have the foodie part in because, and another thing that you and I always end up talking about and
Is food.
She what?
oh, I'm sorry, I thought it was food.
Was food. One is food that we did discuss now, and she can't be part of that, so we're not going to talk about food.
At least I
But
listen and
other
I
is
appreciate. Yeah.
accessories. I think we both go crazy about accessories that we always found in US.
Accessories?
Remember stuff like the brands that we love and what we don't find here, and how New York is our best place to shop.
Definitely. ये तो मैं
अब
इसको
तुम
कैप्टन
भी
अमेरिका
जाके
भी
आई हो?
बोलती हूँ.
तो तुम भी जाके आई हो तो
Yeah. No, but he is actually. मैं इसको बोलती हूँ कैप्टन अमेरिका.
No, but I have. ठीक है, because but I have no specific agenda कि मैं सिर्फ American चीजें.
No, it's not about that. It's about our love for shopping the best thing possible.
Right.
And if certain brand happens to be American, so be it.
Right.
Indian में पसंद है.
Uh-huh.
भेलपुरी और कहाँ मिलेगी? तू नहीं खाता लेकिन. हम तो
मैं भेलपुरी नहीं खाता.
मुझे नहीं मालूम.
No. Food में मैं बोल रही हूँ ना. Food में तो कुछ भी होगा. He'll eat.
What's the wackiest thing that you ate? Eaten. Can you still see our faces?
Yes, sir.
Surbi Jyoti is going to say what the wackiest thing that
You
she
tell
ate.
me first.
The wackiest thing, like a bizarre thing. I've eaten. Yeah, I've eaten. As in, because I want, not because I had this sudden urge to eat grasshoppers. It's because I said that I'm experimental and I did want to try it. And I was in Thailand and it was readily available, so I did try their grasshoppers. But I think I went one step ahead and I tried their little honey roasted cockroaches as well.
And how are they? अब इतना बोला है तो आगे भी बोलते.
They were honey, as in they were not supposed to taste bad. They were supposed to taste very neutral because it was deep fried and all it tasted was like I was having a fried piece of bread or something like that. But the fact that it was a cockroach is I wanted to try that.
And
It's off my bucket list. It's
vegetarian, how
not
do
like
you-
it's going to be
Do
a
I
staple part of my
really
diet.
need to answer this question?
I'm sorry, what?
I said, what does a vegetarian feel about cockroaches?
See, okay, so
No,
this.
I would also like to say that I'm sure it's probably quite how do I say?
It's bizarre for even a non-vegetarian.
Right, it's bizarre. It may probably not. But it is something that I wanted to try. It's not something that's uncommon in the Far East.
Okay, sorry, I'm interrupting you. My point is, if you are a non-vegetarian, then for me it doesn't matter whether you only eat chicken or you only eat
Meat or whatever.
meat, or you. If you are a non-vegetarian, if you are okay eating a chicken, then you can eat anything. For me, either you are vegetarian or non-vegetarian.
I agree with that in the animal rights kind of argument. Like if people will say you can eat this but you can't eat that, that I agree. But like a cockroach is something that people associate with. Even I associate with. I associate cockroaches with unsanitary things and all of that. But it is something that I wanted to try. And it's not like I saw a cockroach at home and I fried it and I ate it. I knew what I was doing.
मतलब इससे बोलते हैं experimental.
Yeah, I'm not that.
I would have done that if there wasn't a chance of me falling seriously ill. I bother about that, but otherwise, yeah, why not?
Yeah, and अब seriously light जा रही है.
Seriously जा रही है.
Seriously कुछ अभी के लिए bye बोल दो. We can continue.
हम नीचे bye बोलेंगे, but just in case if we can't, which we probably there's no reason why we can't.
Yeah, as of now, I think we are. I know.
No, you definitely need light.
Bye.
तुम बोल.
Light जा रही है.
Yeah, इस location का as of now.
This location का. Oh, अच्छा. Oh, that was abrupt. Bye bye everybody. Thank you for watching. And बस वैशाली अब बटन दबा दो बंद कर.
And that brings us to the end of this fantastic interview that we had with Surbhi and Varun. Hope you liked it. For more videos like this, do subscribe to Forum 32. The link is right here for you. This is Vishali signing off. Take care.